Now we have another tutorial on the motion block again, and today we'll look at the align to random positions block. Under this block, right, there is two drop-down lists for you to pick. First is the random positions. Second is the mouse pointer. Yeah. So now let's see what's happened with the character with this block when we have an event for him. We're still having the same space key event. Just want to see the interactions of this character. So we try with the random position first. And the green flag starts. When I press on the spacebar, the character will align with 1 second to any location on the screen here. Info panel, and let's see what happened now. You see, it is using 1 second flying around the screen. Random positions of the XY locations. This is the line with 1 second to random positions, or you can make it much more slower with 5 seconds. And you see, yeah, it will be gliding a little bit slower than the 1 second to the random positions. Okay, now after we have understand the random positions for this gliding, we can go to the mouse pointer and change it back to 1 second on the seconds parameter, and we have the green flag again. This time we are going to glide the character to the mouse pointer here. So if let's say my mouse pointer is located here and I press the space bar, the character will glide to that location. See? It will exactly reach your mouse pointer given within 1 second. Or you can put it in 3 seconds. You have the green flag again, and it will glide with 3 seconds to the mouse pointer. Okay. This is the tutorial for today. It is all about gliding to random positions or mouse pointer. Thank you very much for today's lessons, and we will see you in next tutorial again.